Try this shit out. See what's talking about. Goddamn. I can feel my starting to sweat. It's not the move.
Welcome back to Bro Montana Radio. We got another hot challenge. This one's a little different. We're doing the Buffalo Wild Wings Blazing Hot Wing Challenge. We each have 12 wings. We have 6 minutes to complete the challenge. No food or drink during it. Can't wipe your hands. If you throw up or anything, you're out. First to finish their 12 wings is the winner. In under 6 minutes, obviously. Our cameraman Mel is going to be the ref for that. And then the 2 losers are going to do an upcoming challenge that we're not sure yet. How do you think this is going to go, Burt?
I'm a little nervous.
Yeah? Do you have any strategy?
Eat it fast and eat it before you guys. What's wrong with you?
I think it's going to be terrible as well.
I think I'll be okay with the hot, but I think Burt's going to beat me with the speed.
That's right.
So,
That's right.
We also added almost the whole container of Blazin hot sauce to each of our plates. Now made with extra ghost pepper.
Oh man.
So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. You got a clock?
I do.
Okay. Take a look at your wings. There's
Jesus, that's a lot of sauce.
I
Who did this?
added extra after Mel.
Oh
Oh my god.
my god.
Alright, don't touch my face. Do we gotta hold it up to Mel and he's gotta prove it before we put it down, or he just kinda looks?
All right.
He's just gonna kind of look. I mean,
At the end, I'll get the.
if he says one's no good, you gotta finish.
That means yeah.
All right.
You
So
should keep it.
we got 6 minutes, right? And then we got to eat everything. Okay.
Fastest,
Hey, Burt. Hold on.
Oh yeah, for the actual
fastest to do it.
You got comments.
Yeah, we have fans on.
Oh, they ready?
Yeah, we're ready. You're live.
All right. I'm
Hand down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Even. Damn, Steve, who taught you how to eat wings?
Oh my god.
Coming up on just about 4 minutes, 30 seconds.
Who's gonna beat me because I'm laughing?
Burt has 3 left. Chris look like 4 over there. Steve got a solid 4 as well. The bull is down to his last wing. I'm going to have to come back for that. Giving it to the bull and win.
Nah. Pretty close.
Playing for second. Steven. You want a napkin now?
Yeah, you can get him now.
Sorry, I didn't. You can do it, Chris? Take my time. You need a napkin?
Give him.
You want a napkin?
I'm gonna lick my fingers. Fuck you guys.
We on 2 minutes. Steve DQ, he don't care. Valid effort though.
I think it's just finished.
Oh, he finished?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
I came in last.
Let me check the wings on. Oh my god. Yeah, Big Steve did his thing. Sorry for the DQ, Steve. That was a win-win.
You mean no.
Ooh. And that concludes this episode of Bro Montana Radio.
Where's the cheese on the line?
Woo! Actually, shit. Let's go into it. So, Chris.
I haven't eaten anything.
Huh?
I haven't eaten anything yet.
Bird's dying. Chris is dying too. I mean, Steve's dying too. I can't go interview right now. We'll die down. I'll let it for y'all.
It's all a mess.
Everybody finished under the time.
Can I get more napkin, please? More.
More.
You gonna make it?
Fucking went through my nose when I laughed.
Oh, man. You boys put on a show. Absolute show.
Not doing too bad.
It went bad. So when I laughed, it went up my nose.
Or something like that. Took third place. Second place is eating this shit together.
He might die tonight. That stuff on your fingers. Well. It's hot. You think it was hotter than the gummy bear? You're swelling. Jesus.
I think the fan's just on low end too.
It was pretty hot.
Well, they don't have enough ice for that. I think Steven needs it. It was very uncomfortable.
Damn, Steve, you did your thing. I thought you gave up. Damn, good down on the mouthpiece on that. Clean. Chris, I got the carnage. So yeah.
Oh, you ate the garlic too?
Do I win?
Sorry, you called it.
Did you answer my question? Is that hotter than gummy bear?
This is hot.
Think so? It's definitely not as hot as the 2-0.
I'd say no.
Meanwhile, Mel's over here. You enjoying your nice and comfy wings
What
there?
is it, like sweet honey barbecue?
Spicy garlic.
No, how spicy are those? Out of 1 to 10. Give everyone on Instagram a rating.
4.
You want a line? 4.
Well, actually, let's be real. It's 2.
Yeah, this isn't as bad as it wasn't that bad. I think when I laughed, some of the sauce went up my nostril a little bit. Totally like made me rethink my life.
Your life. Are you glad I added extra sauce on there?
Oh yeah.
Want me to go work them out? No? Well, thanks for tuning in to Bro Montana Radio. Tune in next time.